Have you heard freelancing before? If you have a zero knowledge about what freelancing is or how it works, then this is the right video for you. When I was a beginner like you and wala pa talagang idea about freelancing, like you, I searched on Google, watched several videos, I even attended different seminars and joined different freelancing groups. Nagka-idea ko, yes, but I need more, like the hows and the whys, not just what and where. Basic common questions na talaga makikita mo ang sagot anywhere on the internet and super time consuming. Why? Because all ideas you need ay wala sa iisang video. But you know what? You are in the right process. Because even if they do talk the same content or same idea, you are learning from different perspectives. And every experience is unique and worth to listen. So when it comes to freelancing, you are your own boss. Instead of looking for an employer, you are looking for clients. You have a business which offers mostly digital services, and then you market yourself to clients who are looking for help relating to those services you offer. For instance, you are good at editing videos. That is your skill, video editing. Imbis na resume ang gagawin mo, you will create a portfolio presenting yourself and sample of your works. Kaya dapat you know your skills first and master it before you offer your services to them. Again, freelancing is like starting your own business. Instead of offering physical products, you offer your skills and services to them. So now you know its main definition. Right now, pag-usapan naman natin ito ng mas malalim. There are things you need to consider first before jumping to freelancing world. Of course, success never comes easy. Lots of risks to take, improvements to make, and failures to face. Based on my experience, all I can advise is when you fail to get the offer, find another one. There are a lot of opportunities out there. Improve yourself when you have to, and always be confident in yourself and in your skills. So before you consider freelancing, first, you need to have a great time management skill. You can get 2 or more clients at the same time, but be sure you can manage your time for both clients efficiently. Your goal is not just to earn money, but also to satisfy your clients in your job. If client will like your services to them, there is a possibility na mas marami ka sa kanya matatanggap na project. More project means more income. So, how will you manage your time? Simple lang, set your fixed working schedule. From waking up to doing household chores and free time, you need to have fixed schedule to anything to spend your whole day. Sabi nila, when you are working from home, it is easier than working outside, like in an office or in a company, but it is not usually the case. You know, when you are working from home, sobrang bilis ng oras, lalo na 'di ba, sa loob ng bahay mas maraming gawain. So, when it comes to working from home, dapat marunong kang magkaroon ng time management. The second one is there is no job training provided. Why? Dahil gaya nga ng isang business, client will give you problems to solve at ikaw na ang bahala on what strategy you'll do to complete your task. Kasi ang client mostly sa kanila ay naghahanap ng ma-experience na or expert to do several tasks kasi sila mismo hindi nila alam yung gagawin regarding those tasks. So what should you do? Sabi ko nga, master your skill. Dapat alam mo hindi lang basics, hindi lang dapat familiar ka, at lalong hindi lang sa salita mo papakita na kaya mo yung trabaho. You need to give them solutions, lalo na sa assessment or interviews. Clients always want to know that you are really a problem solver and really know how to help them. You can enroll to different training programs. You can also learn by just watching different tutorials. Research, study your niche. Pag-aralan mo from theory to basics to applications. But you also know how to work with the project na need ng help ni client. Kaya, if you believe you can do the job, then go for it. Apply ka and show the client that you are the solution to their problems. The third one is, you need to invest in office-related expenses. Dahil nga work from home ito at isang business na pagmamayari mo, you need to invest into something na kakailanganin mo to do your business. At alam mo, hindi lang to basta-basta expenses. Dahil nga digital services yung ino-offer natin sa client, you need to have an office equipment, and those office equipment are really expensive. Dapat kompleto ka sa gamit, like the camera, laptop or computer desktop, lighting, microphone, or headset. Ito yung mga basic needs na kailangan mo as a freelancer. So, when you think you wanted to be a freelancer, consider first the expenses. So, kung may trabaho ka ngayon, you can save money for this. And about the office equipments, also make sure that you will buy the right specs. The higher the specs, the better. Kasi when you wanted to offer different services and wanted to try applying for a multiple jobs, then hindi ito hadlang para mag-apply ka sa mga yon. Lalo na kasi most clients talaga ay mas prefer na mas maganda at mas malaki yung specs na ginagamit ng isang freelancer. Of course, dahil nga sa freelancing, uso dito ang multitasking. So, kailangan mabilis din yung gagamitin mong computer or laptop. The next one is be flexible in working multiple tasks. So, if you are a graphic designer and client wants you to do video editing also, at least hindi ka mahihirapan na gawin yun. Kaya mong i-accept yung job. Kaya mong i-accept yung project. And you know, it is a great advantage when it comes to freelancers. Kasi, the more na mas marami kang alam, the more na project ang matatanggap mo. And syempre, the more na makakapag-earn ka ng money. So, your skill is always your asset because you are your own brand. Kaya ang dapat mong gawin, you need to always try to elevate your skills. Huwag mong limitahan ang sarili mo sa kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. Try different things. Like, kung graphic designer ka nga, and then, kung alam mo lang ay paggawa ng mga social media posts. So, kung graphic designer ka, i-explore mo yung skills mo. Like, you can do posters, social media posts, infographics, banners, and so on. Sobrang laking scope ng pagiging isang graphic designer. And I'm really sure na kahit yun lang yung skills mo na kaya mong gawin sa ngayon, marami kang client na makukuha doon. Kasi most of the clients ay hindi alam or walang time para gumawa ng sarili ng design sa kanilang business. The last one is, know that freelancing has no consistency. So, tandaan mo na, ang freelancing, to yung pinaka-disadvantage ng pag-freelance. Wala itong consistency. Hindi ito consistent para maging isang source of income. So, what you should do is, kung kaya mong dagdag pa ng isang client sa iyong schedule, why not? Dagdagan mo. Kung alam mo na patapos na yung project mo sa isang client, kasi maganda din tong option lalo na kapag nawalan ka ng client. So that's all for this video. I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo. And if you are an aspiring freelancer, know that there are things you need to consider first when doing freelancing. Kasi hindi ito basta-basta. And sinabi ko nga dun sa last thing na you need to consider is freelancing has no consistency. So kung may trabaho ka ngayon, wag mong i-let go kung mag-freelance ka. Lalo na kung regular ka na doon, kasi kung wala ka pang masyadong experience or kung hindi pa masyadong regular yung project mo kay client, then wag mong i-let go yung trabaho mo ngayon. Reminder ko lang na freelancing is another kind of side hustle. So this is not a regular job. It is much more like a business. Yun lang. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye!